Namaste, dear students, and welcome in RSV group of schools online classes of science for class 7th. I am Anju Tiwari, your science teacher, is with you to discuss the remaining part of chapter 7th, Weather, Climate and Adaptations. Today, we will discuss about the topic adaptations. What is adaptation? The process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival is called adaptations. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. Today, we will also discuss the polar regions. The polar regions are very cold for most parts of the year, and these regions are covered with snow. The temperatures are as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. For 6 months, the sun does not rise, and for other 6 months, the sun doesn't set. Some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bear, seals, penguins, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian crane, and many types of fishes. Polar bears. Polar bear is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. Here on the screen, there are some adaptations that are found in polar bears. The outermost covering or the white fur. The white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. Its predator and prey are unable to see it because of the white fur. It also has two thick layers of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather. It has a layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulates its body from the cold and keeps it warm. It has a very strong sense of smell, which helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. It has long, curved, and sharp claws which help it to walk on ice. Polar birds. The polar birds are Siberian crane and Arctic tern. The seasonal movement of the complete population of animal from one area to another is termed as migration. The birds in polar regions cannot tolerate extreme cold of winter. Therefore, they migrate from one place to another. Penguins. Penguins are aquatic and flightless birds living almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. Adaptations in penguins: streamlined body, waterproof feather, heavy solid bones, and a pair of wings. These are the adaptations that help penguins to move underwater. And a layer of overlapping feather coated with oil and pockets of air underneath their feathers protect them from cold climatic conditions. Penguins huddled themselves to protect from severe cold. Special blood and muscle tissues help penguins in breathing, especially when they dive underwater. Now we will discuss the adaptations in tropical rainforest animals. The tropical regions have a hot climate because of its location around the equator. The minimum temperature is more than 15 degrees Celsius during cold winter and the maximum temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius during hot summer. The days and nights are of almost equal length. These regions also have plenty of rainfall. The tropical regions in India are Western Ghats and Assam. In the world, the tropical regions are Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. The common animals found in tropical climate are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, etc. Tropical zone. It can be divided into two subtypes, the tropical wet and the tropical dry monsoon zones. In the tropical wet monsoon zone, the average temperature normally does not fall below 18 degrees Celsius and it is accompanied by average to high rainfall. In tropical dry monsoon zone, the rainfall is not so common. Now, adaptations of a red-eyed frog. The red-eyed frog lives on trees. Red-eyed tree frog has sticky pads on its feet which helps it to climb on trees. Adaptations of monkeys. Monkeys live on trees. They have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet also help them to hold on to branches. Adaptations of token. Tokens are brightly colored birds with long, large, and colorful beaks. Tokens live on trees. They make their nest in tree hollows and holes excavated by other animals. They are primarily frugivorous, that means fruit eaters, but also prey upon insects and small reptiles. They have a long, large beak which help them to reach the fruits on branches. Adaptations of cat and leopards. The big cat and leopard have flexible bodies designed for running, jumping, and climbing. Their intestines are short as they only digest meat and non vegetable matter. Their sharp teeth are like scissors to tear the flesh. They hunt at night because they have larger field of vision. The elephant. The elephant has adapted to the conditions of the tropical rainforest in remarkable way. The elephant has a long trunk which it uses as nose and for picking up food. It has a strong sense of smell. The tusks are modified teeth which helps it to tear barks of the trees to eat. Its large ears help it to hear even soft sounds. It also helps it to cool itself in hot climate. It also uses its trunk to pull down fruits and leaves from trees to eat. Now, do you know scientists who study weather are called meteorologists? Record of maximum temperature is 58 degrees Celsius and minimum is minus 89 degrees Celsius. There are two types of climate, dry climate and cold climate. North Pole and South Pole known as frigid zones. The Amazon jungle is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Africa holds the second largest rainfall. The tusks of elephant are the largest and heaviest teeth of any living animal. Thank you.